How to download Netflix movies on laptop. Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial I'll show you how to download Netflix movies on your laptop so you can watch them offline anytime, anywhere. So let's get started. First, open the Netflix app on your laptop. If you don't have it yet, you can easily download it from the Microsoft Store for Windows 10 or higher. Just search for Netflix in the store and install it. Once the app is installed, launch it and sign into your Netflix account credentials. Browse through Netflix or use the search bar to find the movie or TV show you want to download. Note that not all content on Netflix is available for download. To check, look for the download icon, which is a downward arrow next to the title. If it's there, it means you can download it. Click on the title and you'll see the download button. Click that to start downloading the movie or episode. If you're downloading a series, you'll see individual download options for each episode. Once the download is complete, go to the download section in the app, found in the menu, and from there you can easily access and watch your downloaded content offline. And that's it. Now you can enjoy your favorite Netflix movies without needing an internet connection. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.